So it's the last day of April, and I'm here to give you my monthly M1 update. So first, I'm gonna show you how much I deposited for this month. So for this month, I deposited 200, 350, 500, and 600, 650. For the month of April, as you guys can see, I deposited $650. Let's go to my portfolio and see how I performed this month. For you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my M1 Finance portfolio, my money maker pie. It consists of 80% stocks, 10% bonds, and 10% real estate. All right, let's dive into my stocks, which consists 80% of my pie, and let's see how it performed this month. Let's go to technology, which is 15% of my stocks slice. So for this month, NVIDIA, I gained $11.61, which is 11.91%. IBM, I gained $12.03, which is 16.31%. Cisco, I gained $4.67, which is 6.45%. Skyworks, I gained $15.81, which is a whopping gain of 25.72%. As you guys can see, all of my tech stocks are green for this month. Overall, for this month, my technology gained $59.98, which is 13.26% return, and I earned 52 cents dividends. So technology was awesome this month. Now let's go to my industrial stocks, which is 15% of my stocks slice. So for this month, Lockheed Martin gained $7.91, which is 10.17%. Boeing, I gained $2.53, which is 3.89%. Caterpillar, again, $5.06, which is 6.96%. General Dynamics, I lost $1.91, which is 2.90%. UPS, I lost $5.28, which is 6.81%. Raytheon Technologies, I lost $52.12, which is a whopping loss of 49.57%. Waste Management, I gained $2.79, which is 4.15%. So as you guys can see, I lost a lot this month from Raytheon Technologies. So for this month, my industrial lost $48.70, which is down 9.27%. My earned dividends from my industrial is $1.01. So industrial has performed really bad this month because of Raytheon Technology. Now let's go to my consumer defensive stocks, which consists of 15% of my stocks slice. For this month, Costco gained $4.81, which is 3.39%. PepsiCo, I gained $4.40, which is 4.18%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $2.72, which is 2.98%. Walmart, I gained $2.57, which is 3.20%. So for my consumer defensive this month, I gained $19.24, which is 4.26% return. My earned dividends is $1.08. Now let's go to my finance stocks, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. For this month, Visa gained $6.68, which is 9.31%. Goldman Sachs, I gained $1.42, which is 1.69%. American Express, I gained $2.68, which is 4.07%. JP Morgan, I gained $2.47, which is 3.91%. Royal Bank of Canada, I gained $1.90, which is 4.88%. So my finance for this month, I gained $21.50, which is 6.83% return. My earned dividends is $1.43. Now let's go to my consumer cyclical stocks, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. Home Depot, I gained $15.34, which is a whopping return of 15.58%. McDonald's, I gained $11.06, which is 10.63% return. Lowe's, I gained $3.83, which is 11.47%. Nike, I gained 95 cents, which is 2.96%. So for this month, my consumer cyclical stocks gained $37.75, which is 12.42% return. My earned dividend is 19 cents. So for the no dividend, we will save that for last. So let's go to my healthcare, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I gained $16.24, which is 11.40%. United Health Group Incorporated, I gained $17.24, which is a whopping return of 21.10%. For this month, my healthcare gained $45.84, which is 15.75% return. I did not earn any dividends for this month. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Now let's go to my energy, which consists 5% of my stocks slice. Energy for this month, Chevron, I gained $16.88, which is 20.75%. Magellan Midstream Partners, I gained $8.85, which is 21.73% return. Wow, so this energy has a good turn for this week. So energy, I gained $36.30 this month, which is 24.64% return. I did not earn any dividend. Let's go to my utilities, which is 5% of my stocks slice. So for this month, Nextra Energy lost $4.49, which is down 8.32%. Duke Energy, I gained 9 cents, which is 0.21%. WEG Energy, I lost 77 cents, which is down 2%. For my utilities this month, I lost $4.01, which is 2.55%. Utilities is not that bad for this month compared to my industrials. It looks like I missed my communication stocks. My communication consists 5% of my stocks slice. For this month, my Verizon gained $2.77, which is 4.26%. Activision Blizzard, I gained $3.04, which is 9.03%. NetEase Incorporation, I gained $3.76, which is 11.22% return. For my communication, I gained $10.25, which is 6.86% return. I gained $1.48 dividends. Now that we're done with all the dividend paying stocks, let's go to my no dividend stocks, which is 10% of my stocks slice. This month, Tesla gained $22.37, which is a whopping return of 57.14%. It seems like Tesla is a recession-proof stock, so I'm glad I have Tesla and my no dividend stocks slice. Amazon, I gained $12.98, which is 26.79% return. Google, I gained $7.04, which is 19.08% return. Google without an L, I gained $6.98, which is 18.93% return. Berkshire Hathaway, I gained 56 cents, which is 1.93%. Netflix, I gained $3.65, which is 13.33%. Illumina, I gained $3.92, which is 18.29%. Dexcom, I gained $2.85, which is 19.90% return. And my new addition to my no dividend, which is Shopify, I lost 23 cents, which is now 3.13%. My no dividend stocks this month performed really well. I gained $62.63, which is a whopping return of 21.78%. So for this month, my stocks slice, pretty much a winner. I only lost on my industrial and my utilities. So for my stocks slice, which is 80% of my pie, I gained $240.78 for this month, which is 7.82%. And I got $5.71 dividends. While being up $240 this month from my stock slice is a really good thing. And 7.82% is a really good return. So my stocks slice won this month. Now let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. So for this month, American Tower Corporation, I lost $8.18, which is 6.26%. Public Storage, I lost $11.75, which is 11.75%. Digital Realty Trust, I gained $3.90, which is 3.79%. Will Tower, I gained $5.09, which is 10.6%. So for this month, my real estate lost 69 cents, which is down 0.17%. My earned dividends is 30 cents. 69 cents loss from the real estate this month is not that bad. Alright, let's go to my last one, which is bond. Bond consists 10% of my pie. And for my bond, I only have total bond market. So for my bonds, I gained $6.74, which is 1.72% return. My earned dividends from my bond is 77 cents. So as you guys can see, my only loser for this month is real estate, which is 69 cents, which is really not that bad despite what's happening around us right now. Okay, so my moneymaker, I made $246.83 this month, which is 6.38% return. My earned dividends is $6.78. If you guys are new to my channel, my goal pretty much is to grow this before I retire, and hopefully I will get to at least $1,000 of dividends every month. So that's it for this month. I'm very satisfied with the result. I mean, gaining $246 is really a good thing. And I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andrres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.